wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze.
Oh, Hans, I am so bored.
I'm so bored too, Gretel. Father, why can't we not go play somewhere?
You stupid boy, go outside and play.
But
We have no clothes.
What do they mean they have no clothes?
They mean they have no clothes to play.
Stupid, they got clothes on. Go out and play.
These are my
good clothes.
These are my good clothes. My good clothes. Okay, I will make you some clothes.
And what?
Out of the curtains.
You stupid woman, you cannot make play clothes out of curtains.
You will see.
Okay.
Yeah, you will see, Father.
Hurry up, I'm bored.
Doe, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough. Oh, 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 dough. A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough.
A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run.
So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Outside? Father, what does that sign there say? What is this?
Aisha, Vim's Beach.
What is the winds? What is that?
Well, son, it's named after you, so be very proud. I'm a Vim.
I'm a Vim.
You are a Vim.
Ah, beautiful, Father. Thank you.
Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Oh, Hans, I wish we had something fun to do.
I wish Father would not snore like he does.
Father always snores. I wish I did not have to dress like my mother.
It's a very funny color, isn't it?
Why don't you find something to do? Like what?
There's nothing to do. It is Germany.
I know. Let's put on a puppet show. A puppet show? A puppet show. A puppet show. A puppet show?
That would be better than listening to him snore.
Yeah. Oh, that would be wonderful. We could show Father.
Yes, that would be fun.
Okay, okay.
Here, please.
He's so funny, isn't he?
Oh, Hans, you are so clever.
I did not think of anything.
was a lonely goat herd, lay, odelay, odelay, ooh. Loud was the voice of the lonely goat herd, lay, odelay, odeloo. Folks in a town that was quite remote, herd, lay, odelay, odelay, ooh. Lusty and clear from the goat herd's throat, herd, lay, odelay, odeloo. Prince on the bridge of a castle moat heard lay, odelay, odelay, ooh.
Men on a road with a load to tote heard lay, odelay, odeloo. Men in the midst of a toppled dote heard lay, odelay, odelay, ooh.
Men drinking beer with a foam afloat heard lay, odelay, odeloo.
Excellent.
From the clock in the hall and the bells in the steeple true, and up in the nursery an absurd little bird is popping out to say cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Regretfully they tell us, but firmly they compel us to say goodbye to you. So long, farewell, our readers say good night. I hate to go and leave this pretty sight. So long, farewell, our readers say adieu.
Adieu, adieu, to you and you and you.
So long, farewell, au revoir, our readers say.
I'd like to stay and taste my first champagne.
So long, farewell, our readers say goodbye.
I leave and heave a sigh and say goodbye,
Meine Namen ist Richard. Dies, meine Fräulein ist Helga.
Nein, I am gruesome. This is my wife, Gretel.
Hello.
And my name is Hansel. And we are famous actors from Germany too.
Thank you, English, very much.
Was a lonely goat, yodelay, yodelay, yodelay.
Time into the t-shirt composition.
Hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung